Welcome to Vuforia Spatial Toolbox Loop Tool. Today we're going to go over the loop tool, which is very similar to adding a while loop within the Spatial Toolbox. If you're unfamiliar with this blue box, I encourage you to watch our video on image targets. You'll understand it a little bit more after that. But first, to get the loop tool, we're going to go into our pocket and grab the loop tool. We're then going to move it into our space and size it down a little bit. We're then also going to take advantage of our conditional tool. If you haven't seen our video on that, I would recommend checking it out and then coming back to this one. So we're going to use our conditional tool. We're also going to go into the pocket and we're going to grab a switch. We're going to bring that into our space, and so this is going to connect up to the if-else tool. And we're also going to go back into the pocket one last time and grab the off button. And these are all the tools we're going to need. So if we switch over into the programming tab, we can wire everything up. We have two nodes associated with the loop tool. So we have count and bool. First, we're going to connect the switch to if input and then the off button to the else input. And then we're going to connect bool into the if and output to the count. And so count is the current iteration of the loop, and it always checks against the amount of loops that you specified. And if it ever exceeds the amount of loops that you specified here, which in our case is 6, the Boolean node changes from a true to a false. So if we go ahead and we flip the switch, you can see that the loop number increases each time the switch is flipped. This is because every time the count node is sent something that isn't 0, it increases the loop number. And once we eventually get up to loop number 6, you're going to see that instead of if block true, you're going to see if block false, and it's switching to the else block. So Boolean has now changed from a true to a false because the loop is done.